works at his home place, and Tulsa is his town. And when he sees stains on the clothing of his friends, well, he adds a little spotter and he gives them a big steam. They call him the dry cleaner, yeah, the dry cleaner. Clothes go round and round, around, around, around. Well, there's a blue dress on his left and a white on his right. He puts them in purple-rate and soaks them overnight. And when he gets asked if the stains all came out, well, he tells them, of course, dear, 'cause you know what he's about. 'Cause he's the dry cleaner, yeah, the dry cleaner. Clothes go around, 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 around. Oh, well, he makes stains disappear. Oh, and he cleans your clothes with care till he's as happy as a clown. Oh, with an iron in his hand, he smooths out your gown. Well, he's the type of guy who spins those clothes around. He works at his home place, and Tulsa is his town. And when he sees some stains on the clothing of his friends, well, he adds a little spotter and he gives them a big steam. They call him the dry cleaner, yeah, the dry cleaner. Clothes go around, 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 around. Oh, they call him the dry cleaner, oh, the dry cleaner. Oh, I see my start to finish garments right. Oh, the dry cleaner, yeah, the dry cleaner. Clothes go around, around.